The best way to keep track of mortgage rate trends. If you're thinking about buying a home, chances are you've got mortgage rates on your mind. You've heard about how they impact how much you can afford in your monthly mortgage payment, and you want to make sure you're factoring that in as you plan your move. The problem is, with all the headlines in the news about rates lately, it can be a bit overwhelming to sort through. Hi, I'm Sunny with Red Sash Realty, and here's a quick rundown of what you really need to know. Rates have been volatile. That means they've been bouncing around a bit, and you may be wondering why. The answer is complicated because rates are impacted by so many factors. Things like what's happening in the broader economy, the job market, the current inflation rate, decisions made by the Federal Reserve, and a whole lot more have an impact. Lately, all of those factors have come into play, and that's why what is called rates to be all over the place. Odetta Crucci at First American explains, ongoing inflation, deceleration, a slowing economy, and even geopolitical uncertainty can contribute to lower mortgage rates. On the other hand, data that signals upside risk to inflation may result in higher rates. While you could still drill down into each of these things to really understand how they impact mortgage rates, that would be a lot of work. And when you're already busy planning a move, taking on that much reading and research may feel a bit overwhelming. Instead of spending your time on that, lean on the pros. They coach people through market conditions all the time. They'll focus on giving you a quick summary of even broader trends, up or down, what experts say lies ahead, and how all of that impacts you. Take this chart as an example. It gives you an idea of how mortgage rates impact your monthly payment when you buy a home. Imagine being able to make a payment between $2,500 and $2,600 work for your budget. That's principal and interest only. The green part of the chart shows payments in that range or lower based on varying mortgage rates. As you can see, even a small shifts in rates can impact the loan amount you can afford. If you want to stay within that target budget, it's tools and visuals like these that take everything that's happening and show what it actually means for you. And only a pro has this knowledge and expertise needed to guide you through them. You don't need to be an expert on real estate or mortgage rates. You just need to have someone who is by your side. Have questions about what's going on in the housing market? Let's connect so we can take a look what's happening right now and figure out what it really means for you.